Okay, well, Saturday 15th? Yeah, Saturday 15th, September. Man, I can't believe September already. Right, no, actually it's the 14th. I'm a day ahead of myself. Um, what we're doing is we'll put some grease in his head. Um, put some grease in it, then we're going to take and blow the knife off. I got all straw on that out there from when we done wheat straw or combined wheat with it. We use this head instead of the big 30. I'm gonna put some grease in this thing. Let's see, grease fitting right here. Where the grease is. That guy there. Let's see. I know there's one. There's one. Oh, right there. Okay. Well, I'm not really particular where all the grease fittings are on this head. I was showed last night, but I forget already. Go figure, right? I know there was one up in here somewhere. Still right? I don't know. Maybe that was the one. Hell, I don't know. Oh, there ain't one up. Okay, there's one there for that bearing. I see that. Okay. Let me throw you guys up somewhere and we'll get greasing. Okay, so we're gonna start greasing. I don't know what you guys are seeing because I'm doing this blind. Get up a battery. Put some grease in this grain head like I talked about earlier. Guess you guys are seeing everything all right. I don't know. Hope you are. Full battery. So I want that on high. Grab me a grease rag, clean one, to wipe the fittings off, and then to wipe my hands off when I get done. So we'll start with the easiest first. Then we'll. Yep, she's got grease. Okay. I'm not sure what particular year this head is. I think it's a 93, I want to say. 93 head. I'm not too sure. Maybe it's a 1020. 1020. There's the grease. Okay. Like I said last night, I was showed where these grease fittings were. Okay, it's right here for the knife. Okay. And this red grease is all right for the farm equipment, but once you get off into the construction equipment and that kind of stuff, it doesn't, I've been told that it doesn't hold up to the pins in that. There's two there, like on off-road trucks. And wheel loaders, bucket pins. And there's the grease. Get this top one here. You know what? Well, I see grease there too, so maybe it greased that as well. I think you can do them at the top or bottom. I'm not too sure. Oh, but same. I think it's the same here with these. With this end. Oh, come on! Don't be puking the grease out there. I do know you got to keep these tight. That's one thing I was taught. Because if you don't, they puke the grease out everywhere, making a mess. And there's the grease right there. So you must be able to hit it at both spots, depending which way this shaft is turned. But see, I think it's the same down here. Yeah. Or is it? Yeah, there's the grease fitting. Oops. Bumped you guys. Or no, wait. What? Come here. Yes, grease fitting. Or no, that's the button I'm pushing. Okay. Good grief. This. Oh, that strap's in the way. Put that up there where I can get a better hold of it. And there's the grease. Okay. Let's see, right here on top again. There's the grease. So I was gonna pull the book out, but I don't think I'd be needing that. Put some fluid film on that chain. Okay, so we got the ones up here for the reel to get. You know what? Give me this ladder here. Something easy to stand on. Instead of having to jump all over hoops and that. And where's the ones for the reel? For the slide. Should be one here for this roller, I think. But not sure. Where's the one for the bearing here? Right here on this back side. And there's the grease. Okay. I really think that I feel there should be a grease fitting here for these rollers, but that's just my opinion. Maybe that's not a wear point. And then too, back here for this hinge right here, I feel that there should be a grease fitting there. Anywhere that there's a movement point, is there should be a grease fitting where that joint is. I'm gonna be mad at myself if I did this video just for nothing, but not sure whether to leave the straw in the bottom of that auger or not. Don't know. I got this fluid film here I'm going to spray on this chain. Not really sure if you're supposed to shake it up like paint or not. I'm assuming you should. And then you just take spray the chain like that. Give it a good helping. Now I'm not sure if you can use this stuff like penetrating oil. Protects all metals, blah blah blah. No solvents, long lasting. So I don't know. I'm gonna let you guys make the judge of that. So, if you guys enjoy, thanks for watching.